how to log out from YouTube channel. So if you want to log out from your YouTube channel, then first you can open up your YouTube application, and after opening YouTube, here you won't have an option to log out from your channel. So what you can do is simply open up your settings on your phone, and then you can go for accounts, and under accounts here you will have Google, right? So you will have this Google account, so you can simply choose the account which you are logged in right now, and after choosing that, here you will have remove account option. Simply tap on remove account, and then tap on remove account again, and after removing your account, now you can simply go back and then again go for, and after opening your apps, go for YouTube, and after opening your YouTube app on your settings, now you will have storage and cache option. Tap on that and then go for clear cache and go for clear storage and delete, and after that you can remove all of this. And that's it. That's how you log out of your YouTube application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.